What if I told you there's a chateau in Switzerland where the lake meets luxury, and every wall holds a secret of elegance? This might be the most beautiful home in Switzerland, and you're about to see why. Welcome to a world where dreams wear marble, and the air smells like silence and splendor. Today, we take you on an exclusive tour of a modern French chateau nestled beside a crystal-clear lake in the heart of the Swiss Alps. Surrounded by ancient trees and timeless tranquility, this architectural jewel is not just a home. It's a story told in stone, silk, and sky. As we enter the grand double lobby, light dances across hand-carved chandeliers and floor-to-ceiling windows. French elegance meets modern comfort in every corner. Here, nature walks through the windows and luxury lives in the details. There are 6 living rooms, each with a different soul. Some wrapped in velvet and gold, others in soft modern minimalism. One lounge opens onto the lakefront, offering a view that feels like a painting in motion. Whether you're reading by the fire or listening to soft classical music echoing through the halls. This is where time slows down. If you think you've seen luxury before, wait till you see what's hidden behind the next door. The master suite overlooks the still water of the lake, wrapped in silk wall coverings, soft tones, and quiet grace. Each room is a curated blend of privacy, style, and soft-spoken opulence. The 6 bathrooms are crafted like private spas. Freestanding tubs, golden fixtures, and lake views make even your morning routine feel like royalty. For dining halls, each worthy of palace banquets, and 4 designer kitchens equipped for both gourmet chefs and cozy family dinners. Crystal chandeliers above, natural wood underfoot. Every meal becomes an experience, not just a routine. Outside, 3 pools glimmer. One an infinity pool that kisses the edge of the lake at sunset. Indoors, warm-toned study rooms, flower-filled winter gardens, and peaceful lounges offer corners of calm for every season. If homes could whisper, this one would sing. If walls could dream, they'd dream like this. Subscribe now to explore more ultra-luxury homes, modern chateaus, and timeless architectural wonders. Until next time, stay close to beauty and live where the view never ends.